Hi, I'm Ben from the Biodiversity Information Service, or BIS. We're the local environmental record centre for Powys and the Brecon Beacons National Park, one of 4 LERCs, or local environmental record centres in Wales. I'm going to show you how to get the LERC Wales app onto your smartphone, and that's a really good app that allows you to turn your wildlife sightings into really useful biological records. This demo is using an Android phone, in this case a Samsung phone, and you need to look out for the small white circle on the screen. For an Android phone, you go to the Play Store. If you've got an Apple device, iPhone for example, you'll need to go to the iTunes Store. So for Android, click on the Play Store button. In the search bar, start typing what you want to install, which is the LERC Wales app. It should appear, there it is, tap on that. Install the app onto your phone. Once installed, open the app up. You can select your language. You can use the LERC Wales app totally in Welsh or in English. Get started. Okay, got that tip. Here's the home screen. As we haven't used the app yet, there's nothing to show on there. To learn all about adding records to the LERC Wales app, see one of our other videos. Thanks for watching.